Morning students, you are most welcome to the language class. Today I am sending you the letter writing format, informal. The informal letters are written to the parents, friends, cousins, grandparents, okay, or any relative, uncles, aunts, like this. Informal letter is written to the relatives, friends, parents, grandparents, this type of people. Okay, so format of informal letter. At first you have to write the sender's address. Sender means when you are writing the letter, that means you are the sender, so you have to write your address, then date, then salutation. Salutation means dear, and you have to give the, if you are writing to a friend, you will write your friend's name. If you are writing to your father, then you will write dear father, dear mother, dear cousin, whom you are writing, you have to address. That is called salutation. Then body of the letter. This body of the letter will be depending on the heading. Whatever there will be the heading, you have to write according to the heading. Next comes the regards. Regards means whatever good wishes you are giving, or you are sending any regard to the parent or the uncle, anyone. Okay. Next is complimentary close and subscription. That means that thanking you and all these things, you will be there, yours ever, like this words will be there. Then your signature, that means your name. Then the address of whom you are sending the letter, that means another address, not your own address. The address will be whom you are sending. You will learn one address, like your uncle's house or your maternal uncle's house address, you will learn, and you will write, you can write all that over there. Okay, here is an example. Write a letter to your friend about your aim in life. So I have written my address. You will write your address over here. Okay, the address is RBC Road, Noihati 24, not 24 Pargana. You will write your address in this place. You will not copy this address. Remember that. Then date. I have given today's date, but you will give your next day's date. Okay. Next is Dear Ananya. I am writing this letter to Ananya, so I have given Dear Ananya. You will write your friend's name. Next, the body. See, about the aim in life, we have to write, but we have to start the letter with a sweet words. Your sweet note is just in my hand. That means your letter is just in my hand. Your sweet note means whatever you have written, you are writing the, you are giving the compliment to your friend. Okay. So your sweet note is just in my hand. You have wanted to know about my aim in life. So it is related to the line, the heading I have given you. Well, here is an account of it. The crying need of our country right at this moment is, to my mind, good citizens. That means in our country, it is very important that there must be some good citizens. Without them, no progress and no prosperity of the people of the country is possible. Until and unless good citizens will be there, a country cannot progress. I have hence decided to become an ideal school teacher. So, here I am writing that I want to be a school teacher. Why ideal school teacher? That I will give good advices to the students, and they will learn it, and they, when they will become a bigger, when they will become a man or a woman, they will follow that. I wanted to devote and dedicate myself to make good citizens of our motherland. So I want to dedicate myself to make good citizens. I want to become a true friend, philosopher, and guide to my young peoples. So I want to, that I will give a good advices, so that peoples will become, the young peoples will become a good citizen. The motto of my life will be simple living and high thinking. Simple living and high thinking means simply we will live, we will not live lavishly, but we will think a good. I will lead my life in such a manner that I may be a living example for realization of this aim. I will lead my life like this that people will see me and learn something from me. When we will meet, we will discuss more about it. We have changed the paragraph because we are going to the regards. This is the regards. That when we will meet, we will discuss more about it. Let me know about your aim in life in your next letter. So whenever you will give the letter, when you will send the letter, you will write about your aim in life. Please convey my regards to your parents and accept my sincere love. So regards, that means love. Okay, that give to your parents and accept my sincere love. Ever yours. SN, that means my name I have written. Next, whom you are writing, Ananya Chatterjee, you have to write over there. Then I have given 15 Protappur Bandel. That means you will write the your own address. This one is that whom you are sending the address, you will write yours, not this one copy. You will not copy this one. Okay, till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time, and please practice letter writing. The same thing will not come in the exam. I'm telling repeatedly, the same thing will not come in the exam. So you have to practice more about other topics also. I'm giving you a format and an example, but exam the same topic will not come. So practice at home more and more.